Hi, welcome back to Markets of Sunshine. This is Marcia. So this is an Etsy shop update video. And in today's video, I am showing you a slow stitch kit that I recently introduced, the Garden Girls collection. And this is inspired by the fabrics of Laura Lee Design. And I have 6 of these slow stitch kits for you to choose from. So I will show you each of the panels. So this is your basic kit here. There will be a total of 20 items in the kit, 6 pieces of vintage lace, 6 vintage buttons, 6 pieces of fabric, approximately 4 by 4 inches, a 12 by 12 foundation piece, and then some other decorative applique pieces from the Garden Girl collection, and then a cardboard butterfly applique pattern, a fabric yo-yo that I've made, that it would be a completed item there in the kit. So here are the kits for you to choose from. So as you can see on my glue bottle, this is an Aleene's tacky glue, 16 ounce size, and the circumference of this, let's see, so 2 inches, I would say it's probably about 6 or 7 inches in diameter and circumference. And so here's the cute little butterfly applique that I made, and I just attached it with a vintage button right in the center. And here's the Garden Girl that I decided to put on my bottle, and another one of the cute little applique pieces that I put here. And then I just used a variety of fabrics and vintage lace. So I have the cute little heart ruffle lace going up the top and at the bottom. I have this wider piece here, and then underneath is a more narrow piece. I have this piece of netting, so you also get a piece of this netting. It's very sparkly, glittery sheer, as you can tell, and you can put it over any piece of that, or you can use it in a separate project. And then another piece of the lace here, and then the butterfly and the button. And then when I want to refill my glue bottle, I just remove the sleeve and then refill the bottle, and then I can add my sleeve back on it. Now, if you want to go the extra mile and add a bottom to your sleeve, that's another option. I am thinking of doing that, and how I was going to do it is I've made a larger yo-yo, and then that will slip over the bottom here, and then I will just stitch it to the edges of this here. So when it's so many layers, so this is my foundation piece, that 12 by 12, I folded it in half. So now that's doubled. And then I have this fabric on top of it. So it was so thick, it was too hard to try to turn it inside out and then sew that little bottom piece on. So that's why I left mine like this. And it's perfect. So you can still use it, but look at how cute that is in it. It just looks so pretty now. And I know some of you have the little topper decorative pieces for your glue bottles. So wouldn't that be so pretty to have the decorative topper, and now you've covered your glue bottle up and you've decorated that. So now you can have it go all the way from top to bottom. I decided to just have mine this height here. So this is 5 inches. So the 5 inches in height, but I love it. I think it's really, really pretty. And depending on which panel you choose, that can wrap around the taller bottle. So you could just bring that up there, bring it down a little bit here, And then now this panel circles around, and then you just fill in the rest of it in the back. So each of these are so cute. Just a fun, whimsical, little garden themed addition that you can put in for your craft room. So whichever one of these garden girls makes your heart leap, then head on over to my Etsy shop and pick up one of the collections. And they also come with a gift with purchase. So let me show you the gift with purchase. Alright, so the gift with purchase with the new Garden Girls collection is going to be one of my cash envelope wallets. So, or ephemera wallet. You can use it for ephemera, and I will be gifting either my coin purse size. These hold a lot of cash or ephemera, or I will be gifting the wallet size. So your cash can fit lengthwise this way, or your ephemera cut out pieces can fit lengthwise. And they are laminated, hand stitched, so they're double laminated inside and out, hand stitched all the way around, and then the snap closure. These will last you forever. You treat them right, and so you don't know which of these you will get with your purchase, but with the Garden Girls collection, you will be getting one of these as a surprise with your purchase. And again, so here's just a showcase of what you might receive. And again, how wonderful these would be in your craft room or to carry with you. These are great for emergency cash, to put them in your go bag. And again, just a variety of colors to choose from. So I think this is a wonderful gift with purchase, and I think you're really gonna enjoy that. So my larger wallets sold for $10, so these are a $10 value, and the coin purses were $5. So it's a great little extra goodie from me to you. And then last but not least is my new purple slow stitch kit book, soft book. So I have the pink soft book, and this is to practice your embroidery and slow stitching in, as you can see what I've been working on in mine. So this is the pink book, but now I have added the purple, and we're working on that here together on my channel. And so I have just been having so much fun with this. And excuse me. You can pick one of these up in my Etsy shop, marketsofsunshine.store. And the reason why I like to have you direct you over to my pattern Etsy shop is because when you are shopping on Etsy, they show you other people's products. But if you're shopping on my website, then you're only seeing my products exclusively. And so then that way you know that you're supporting me and you're buying from me and not somebody that you don't know. Okay, so I appreciate you being here, and I had so much fun making this collection, and I know you are going to absolutely love it and enjoy making a nice slow stitch cover for your glue bottle as well. And with these supplies, you can make it to fit any size bottle that you have. So maybe you have the a smaller fabric tack bottle, maybe you refill it, or your art glitter glue, whichever one that you use, and you could make with the supplies, you can make a little cover for it as well. And if you have another slow stitch kit, then you can use the supplies from that. So it's just a lot of fun. And if you may want to use the panel to do something else with it, but my idea was just for the glue bottle, but as you can just, whatever you want to use the supplies for, just have fun. So thank you for being here with me for this Etsy shop update of my latest Slow Stitch Kit Garden Girls collection. Stay safe and keep creating in the sunshine. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.